I'm going to discuss with you today the derivation of the trigonometric functions with respect to first principle. So derivative of trigonometric function with first principle. For example, y is equal to sine x. I want to get dy by dx of sine x. So as we have discussed, I'm going to mark first y is equal to sine x as number 1. Now add delta y with y and delta x with x. I have given increment of delta y with y and I have given increment of delta x in x. So 2 minus 1, this will be y plus delta y minus y is equal to sine x plus delta x minus sine x. So y goes delta y is equal to, now see, I will apply the formula sine c minus sine d. So if I'll go with the result sine c minus sine d, this is 2 cos c plus d over 2 sine c minus d over 2. So which is equal to 2 cos. So my first function, my first angle, this angle is C and this angle is D. So this is equal to C plus D, x plus delta x plus x upon 2 sine C minus D, x plus delta x minus x upon 2. So which is equal to 2 cos 2x plus delta x upon 2 sine delta x upon 2. So ये दो x की values खत्म. This is delta y. So divide numerator and denominator by delta x. Limit delta x tends to 0, which is these are the set steps we have already done when we have discussed this in the class. Sine delta x over 2 divided by delta x. I have divided both sides by delta x such that limit delta x tends to 0. So what are the different steps here? The first step is I have assumed y is equal to sine x as number 1. I have given increment of delta y in y and increment of delta x in x. This is number 2. So I have subtracted 2 from 1. So y plus delta y minus y, which is equal to sine x plus delta x minus sine x. Y goes with this, delta y is equal to, I have applied the result sine c. This is my c. And this is my d. So I have applied the result sine c minus d. This is 2 cos c plus t over 2 sine c minus t over 2. So ultimately, this is the, after calculation, this is the net with us. So this is, dhyan dena thoda sa, dy by dx. I have removed limit delta x tends to 0. So I will write dy by dx. This is limit delta x tends to 0 cos x plus delta x upon 2 sine delta x upon 2 divided by, this 2 goes to the denominator. So this is delta x by 2. So I have taken this 2 under the denominator. Now we have the formula that sine x over x limit x tends to 0 must be is equal to 1. So delta x by 2 over delta x by 2, this will be equal to 1. So which implies dy by dx, which is equal to limit delta x tends to 0 cos x plus delta x upon 2 is to 1, which is equal to delta x. So this is equal to, this is 2x, this is 2x, this is 2x, this is also 2x. So which is equal to, now I will substitute the value of delta, which is cos 2x plus 0 upon 2, which is equal to cos 2x upon 2, it goes dy by dx is equal to cos x. This is the answer. So if x y is equal to sin x, then dy by dx is equal to cos x. This is all by first principle method. In the same way, what you will do, you will get the derivative of y is equal to cos x, y is equal to secant x, single y is equal to cosecant x. So these derivative you can get by this formula only. So these three questions are your home assignment.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
सर हम वो यहाँ से नहीं समझ लगा सेकंड लास्ट लाइन से राइट लेफ्ट साइड से
लेफ्ट साइड से
यहाँ पर हमने डिवाइड किया था ना 2
या
से
2 से ये वाला ये
यस यस सर
ओके दिस 2 आई हैव टेकन ना बेटा, ये वाला 2 में नीचे ले गया इसके, ये देखो तो यहाँ पे ये डेल्टा एक्स बाय 2 हो गया ना
सर 2 नीचे कैसे जा सकता है?
अरे क्या बात करते हो, ये देखिए x अपॉन 2x अपॉन y है, इसको मैं क्या लिख सकता हूं, x अपॉन y बाय 2 भी तो लिख सकता हूं, इस 2 को मैं नीचे ले जाऊं, अल्टीमेटली ये पलट के ऊपर ही तो हो जाएगा।
यस
मैंने क्या किया, मैंने रीअरेंजिंग रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर की बाय यूजिंग द कांस्टेंट व्हिच इज इन द न्यूमिनेटर, तो उसको मैं नीचे ले गया। क्यों नीचे ले गया, क्योंकि यहाँ पे डेल्टा एक्स बाय 2 पड़ा था मेरे पास, तो मैंने नीचे भी डेल्टा एक्स बाय 2 बना दिया, सो दैट आई कैन गेट लिमिट एक्स टेंड्स टू 0 sin x ओवर x इज इक्वल टू 1, ताकि मैं ये रिजल्ट यूज कर सकूं। तो इसलिए मैंने साइन डेल्टा एक्स बाय 2 ओवर डेल्टा एक्स बाय 2 कर दिया।
ओके सर।
So please note it down. The next question is y is equal to 10x. I am going to start. Can I go to the next question if you people have noted? Beta, have you noted? Can I go to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Chali, come to the next. Next question is, find the derivative of y is equal to 10x. Up y is equal to cot x will be of the same pattern we will discuss. So y is equal to tan x, which implies y is equal to sin x upon cos x. This is number one. So y plus delta y is equal to sin x plus delta x over cos x plus delta x. This is number two. So y plus delta y minus y, that means 2 minus 1, which is sin x plus delta x upon cos x plus delta x minus sin x upon cos x. So delta y is equal to, this is cos x plus delta x cos x. So this is sin x plus delta x cos x minus sin x cos x plus delta x. यहाँ तक नोट करिए. I have just taken the LCM, and after taking the LCM, I have solved the rational expression. Delta y is equal to sin. Now see, sin A cos B. If I will take it as a sin A cos B, then sin B cos A. So this is sin A minus B. A is x plus delta x minus x over cos x plus delta x cos x. Delta y is equal to sin delta x cos x plus delta x cos x. So which implies delta y over delta x, limit delta x tends to 0. I have divided by delta x on both sides. Sin delta x upon delta x, limit delta x tends to 0, cos x plus delta x cos x. Dy by dx, which is equal to sin delta x over delta x, this is 1, upon cos x plus delta x, it is 0, is to cos x. So dy by dx is equal to secant square x. So So that means if y is equal to 10x, dy by dx is equal to secant square x. So your home assignment. Y is equal to cot x. Find dy by dx. This is your home assignment. I hope you people have noted. Have you people noted? Can I go to the next question?
Yes, sir.
A. Manvi Karwan, no. Namanpreet has left. Ayush has also joined, but he has left. In the next fifth period also, I will continue with this. Fine. Next is find the derivative of y is equal to, let me go to the, see the, it will be different. Hmm. 1 over ax plus b. Ax plus b. So find dy by dx. Y is equal to 1 over ax plus b. Y plus delta y is equal to 1 over ax plus delta x plus b. This is number 2. This is number 1. So 2 minus 1, this is y plus delta y minus y, 1 over a x plus delta x plus b minus 1 over ax plus b. So delta y is equal to a x plus delta x plus b is to ax plus b minus ax plus a delta x plus b. Minus ax minus a delta x minus b upon ax a delta x plus b ax plus b. So ax goes with ax, b goes with b, which implies delta y is equal to minus a delta x over ax plus a delta x plus b is to ax plus b, divide both sides by delta x such that limit delta x tends to 0. So dy by dx is equal to delta x goes with delta x minus a upon ax plus a is to 0 plus b ax plus b, which is minus a upon ax plus b whole square. This is the value of dy by dx. So I will continue with such kind of questions, and there is an assignment also I have uploaded on the portal. So try to solve that assignment also, as well as your miscellaneous exercise is very important. So we will plan a test of this chapter of derivative on you can see that today's 22, 23, 24, 25th. On 25th, there is a class test of chapter derivative. Class test of derivative on 25th. Will it be fine? Manvi Noor?
Sure, sir.
हाँ, वो पोर्टल पे लूंगा, ठीक है? तो so that's all. Well, the rest we'll see in the next period. Fine. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.